How to create a new meeting link on Zoom. What's up everyone? In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily do that. So let's just jump right in. First thing first, open up your Zoom application and make sure that you are logged into your account. Here on my Zoom workplace, as you can see, I've already logged in right here on top right. So in order to create a new link, what you can do is click on this new meeting option and just tap on it. What it does is it will create a new meeting for you. Now, all you have to do is mute your audio or video if you want, and then start the meeting. Now, once the meeting is launched, you will be able to copy its invite link. In order to invite people to this link, you are going to have to click on this more option, and then from here, you could get the meeting info. And on the meeting information, you'll get all of the options like your invite link, your meeting ID, and your passcode. Just click on this copy option and then send it to whoever you want or whoever you want to invite. Once you do that, you should be good to go. So that's how you basically create a new Zoom meeting link. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I'll see you on the next one.